Make game Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Figma to begin the process. Choose the Make option to access the AI build feature. Once the AI interface is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen, where you will find a prompt input box. In this tutorial, we are creating a hangman game website using Figma's AI tool. Inside the prompt box, type a detailed description of what you want. Include the theme of the game, the number of words the player needs to guess, and the rules that will guide the gameplay. After submitting your prompt, wait for the AI to finish processing. Once it's done, the generated hangman game will appear directly on your Figma screen. You can now view and interact with the result. If needed, you can also add extra functions such as introducing new themes, moving objects around, changing styles, or adding additional visual elements. Once you are satisfied with all the adjustments and the design looks complete, your hangman game website created with Figma AI is ready to use.